चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Getting some more breaking updates coming in on Republic viewers. Source-based information. Top sources have informed that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will hold a key meeting today at his residence. Discussions likely over Lok Sabha Speaker and Deputy Speaker posts. So that is what we are learning of right now on Republic TV viewers. We are seeing there will be a lot of discussions on these two posts, and there will be a meeting held later on in the evening to discuss what would be the next course of action when it comes to these posts, viewers, on the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker's posts. So that is what we're learning of on Republic TV, and the meeting will be taking place later on at Rajnath Singh's residence, viewers. So that is what is coming out. So there are some probable names, but we'll wait and watch that who will finally be the Speaker and the Lok Sabha Speaker and the Deputy Speaker as well. So the government will be naming the Lok Sabha Speaker later on. It will be approximately on June 26th, when the government is likely to name the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. And we're still waiting for the names, and there are many names. There are many names which are in the list. I just want to go across to Harsha. Harsha, you know, as the discussion would be held in the evening about who would be the Lok Sabha Speaker and Deputy Speaker, we have some names. Of course, this is not confirmed, but it's going to be very important. All eyes will be on that meeting in the evening, where we'll be coming to know very soon that there will be, in fact, a step taken towards deciding on the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker's post, and how will this process will play out as the next session of the Parliament is not too far away. Go ahead, Harsha.
So Shivangi, to tell you that this is the second meeting which is taking place at the residence of Rajnath Singh, which at around 5 o'clock this meeting will commence, and along with Rajnath Singh, JP Nadda, Amit Shah and the several other leaders of the BJP will be attending this meeting. Also, after some time, the ally party leaders like from LJP, JDU and TDP could also be called, but this is a very important meeting, keeping in mind the 26th is the date when the Speaker and Deputy Speaker election will take place inside the Parliament. To tell you that 24th and 25th is going to be the oath ceremony, but on 26th the Speaker election will take place. But before that, from 24th 12 o'clock till 25th, there is a last day for nomination of Speaker from the side of BJP, and if opposition wants to field the Speaker from their side. So till now, what we are understanding is that after today's meeting, it will be clear that who is going to be Speaker and Deputy Speaker. But for now, this is confirmed that Speaker is going to be from the side of the BJP, and Deputy Speaker, BJP is going to give Deputy Speaker post to either JDU or TDP. It will get to any of the NDA allies only, but the election and the voting process inside the Parliament for the Speaker post is going to be very interesting, because opposition is continuously stating that they are also going to field their own candidate for the Speaker post. Opposition this time wants the Speaker post, but this could also be a flow test for the entire NDA, because when the voting for the Speaker will begin, at that time the maximum number of votes will have to be with NDA if they want the Speaker from the BJP. But today almost it will be decided that who BJP is going to field for the Speaker post in Parliament for 26 when the election is going to happen. A very important second round of meeting by the BJP leaders at residence of Rajnath Singh today at around 5 o'clock. Back to you.
Absolutely. Big suspense over Lok Sabha Speaker post. Big meeting happening in the evening at Rajnath Singh's residence. And then, of course, we will come to know later on that PM Modi will also propose a name later on. June 26th is the date after the Parliament session begins. So we have to wait and watch who will be the Speaker, who will be the Deputy Speaker. Very big story. For now, Harsha, I have to move ahead to the other news and the top headlines that are making the news right now.